Today I'm going to make you a cocktail that is in the old-fashioned and Manhattan realm. However, it's a lot lighter and brighter, which most people would say is more suitable for the warmer weather that we're going into. Even though I say I don't care about seasonal cocktails, I don't care about seasonal drinking. I drink what I want when I want. But hey, what are you going to do? So let's make the double header. This is not a classic cocktail. In fact, it was created only 4 years ago by Dan Greenbaum at Diamond Reef in Brooklyn, New York. I came across it a couple of weeks ago, I tried it, and I liked it a lot. So thanks a lot, Dan. You're the man. So for the booze, we're gonna use a bourbon. I'm using Michter's Sour Mash, an apricot liqueur, and this is Giffard if you can get a hold of it, that would be great. A dry sherry, this is an Oloroso sherry, and in the original recipe it actually calls for Amontillado sherry, but I didn't have that at home, so I'm gonna use this, which I think is just fine. Orange bitters and Angostura bitters. The orange bitters I added to this recipe because I just want a little bit more brightness to it. So what is sherry, you say? Sherry is a wine produced in southern Spain in an area referred to as the Sherry Triangle. It is fortified with brandy and then aged for various amounts of times depending on what style of sherry it is. The four most common styles that you might hear of is Fino, Manzanilla, Amontillado, and Oloroso. However, there are more styles, but this is not a sherry masterclass, this is a cocktail video. So let's make a drink. We're going to start with a dash of Angostura bitters and 1 dash of orange bitters. Half an ounce of your apricot liqueur. Half an ounce of your sherry. And 1.5 ounce of your bourbon. This cocktail is going to be served over ice, so you don't have to stir it for that long at all. I'm going to garnish it with a nice lemon twist using my channel knife. This is a very quaffable cocktail, and it's a little bit lighter in alcohol because of the sherry, but the sherry also brings a little bit of nuttiness and dryness to the cocktail. And then you have a hint of the apricot. The lemon twist is just there to brighten it up a little bit more. This is a perfect, easy drinking, seasonal, old-fashioned, or Manhattan variation, whatever you want to call it, but it's a great cocktail. I highly recommend it. If you haven't hit the like button yet, go ahead and do that right now, and I'll see you next Friday. Cheers.